Today I'm going to show you how to plant corn. Hi, I'm Troy Haynes and welcome to the Corn Report. Today I'm going to show you how to plant corn. I really do love making these videos for you, but I can't do it without your support. Please do me a huge favor and take a second to subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot, I really appreciate it. Today I'm going to show you how to plant corn. I love corn. Growing corn is my favorite thing. It's such a fascinating plant and this year is going to be awesome. I can't wait to show you how corn grows and all the cool things about it. This year I'm going to try something new. I'm going to hand pollinate and I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm really excited, so let's get to it. The first thing I'm going to do is revitalize this bed. Corn loves sandy, soft, well-drained, loamy soil. Thankfully this bed already meets those conditions, so I'm just going to add fertilizer. I'm adding about an inch of well-composted chicken manure to the bed, and I'm going to rake it in. Corn is not an early crop. They love heat, so please make sure you have consistent warm days where the soil will remain above 10 to 15 degrees Celsius. Corn loves full sun, so pick the sunniest spot to plant your corn. Corn can be a bit slow to germinate, especially in colder climates, so I'm going to give it a little head start by soaking the kernels overnight. Corn should be sown directly in the ground. It does not transplant well. The next thing I'm going to do is measure off my rows. There's a lot of difference of opinion on row spacing. Most would recommend 30 to 32 inches, but I've been doing a lot of reading on this and it seems the optimum spacing is 20 inches, and I would agree. Last year I spaced the rows at 15 inches apart and had no problems, but this year I want to get in there to pollinate, so 20 inches seems to be perfect. Any wider and I would not have many rows in my little backyard garden. If you're enjoying this video, please let me know and give me a like. After I've laid my string out, I'm going to plant the corn. I'm spacing them out at 3 to 4 inches apart and an inch or 2 inches deep. I'm using my finger to make the hole and dropping them in. Once covered over, I'll give them a drink of water. It's critical that corn remains moist while germinating, so please water often. So that's it in a nutshell. I'd love to hear about your corn or ideas for future videos, so please leave me a message in the comments section. I promise to reply to all of your comments. If you've liked this video, watch this one. I'm Troy Haynes. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time, and thanks for looking at my corn.